Hello. Ndepwaskana. I want to write Sirik. I want to school right when I come Shanaka. Ah, when I have balance where I open about Kazoka and a mission immigration. I told you Bagaway. In Kazoka, open Bokundagatozo. Majata be a Panapanasu. That was a book. Notice your one you. It was a look. Look at the other. You shot to get past any time. Later. Bye. Oh, Pindai.
Oh, knock.
Yes, you can join you.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello, baby. We do it this the American way.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you?
I want to go far and we'll say, all right, yeah.
You saw me coming and probably wondering why.
All right, chips.
After I made a prayer asking God for a damsel, He answered me and He put something on the wall. It was just a figure of a woman. Do you believe me?
Oh. No, it won't be Pfambi.
And after I'd only done 3 days, my Lord answered, and there you were in a picture. A God showed me an angel, and you saw me when I was coming in. I was a little bit perplexed. I said to myself, who is this beautiful damsel? You are so beautiful. You are gorgeous. You are exquisite.
Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you so very much. You
like it?
Yeah,
you know what? I've been to Bujumbura. I've been to Venezuela. I have been to Madagascar looking for a beautiful damsel. I couldn't find any. First time I've seen an angel. I thought one of the angels had fallen down and fell into my way. Hell had fallen loose, I thought. I was scared out of my wits. You know what I'm saying?
I want to fara just in mashoko ya mashoka anonagiza sepuno ari single kudai so kunzwa chizwa mashoka akadai so aya aiwa nasizi varangura bara tondinakira
she's happy.
Like I want to fara zvokuti basi nemachirera makaita aya akachena hanzasi endo nogona kunyaso meshanisa zibusi yako iyi ikiratidza ndeye mari
that I am loaded. You know what? Before I left my house, the Lord said to me, that lady is going to ask you for something.
Right.
Not because she wants money, but she's going to ask you as a way of just seeing if you are sure, if you are true to what you are saying.
All right.
And I said to my Lord, I'm going to carry something. Of course, I brought something. I couldn't have carried everything. So when I was leaving my house, there were some money on windows, on doors, just like that. Yeah, money, just money. You know what? Money was trying to say, why are you leaving me? Why are you leaving? I said, how can I carry you all? And to be honest with you, we don't just talk, we do. Yeah, the Bible says, don't just talk, do. Be doers and not talkers. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Be doers. Yeah. You may have seen all this only in Nigeria, but we can do that as well. Yeah, we Zimbabweans got money. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? God sent. God sent. Yeah. Yeah. Give it chance. Give money a break. You see that? Look. You cut money.
Yes,
I'm gonna give you money. 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 All this money. It's not like that. Wait, woman. Relax a little bit. Give me a minute. This is my card.
Yeah.
Take it. And this is what you're gonna use.
Alright.
To put the card in. I don't know if you have used this before.
No.
You know what I'm saying? So you use it like that.
Alright, I'm
gonna tell you my secret number.
Okay. I have to put a secret number.
Yeah, you will write it somewhere, but it's 4515.
Wow.
Yes, that's what we do. It's all this money is yours. Oh yeah. You haven't seen anything. Yeah. You love money? I got money. Yeah. Wonderful. Yeah. Happy?
I'm happy. Gracie, Gire, we have to marry when it's a big one. Hey, what's that again? Yeah, she bought it. All right, good girl. That's okay.
You know what? Where I live, in my street, people come to pick money from my house every morning because we throw money away. You see what they used to do when they were getting manna, the children of Israel? Yeah, people come get money. I got money. You know what I'm gonna do for you? What I've given you is 2 days ration.
2 days only?
After them 2 days, I'm gonna send a truckload of money. They're gonna offload it at your backyard. How about that?
For me? Hey, what? When you get fast, then I get a marry. When they sound that marry, my tongue get my female, but you go to any marry, and it's not gonna marry. She not wheels the time of the galaxy when you go.
That's what we are talking about. That's my girl. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Is there any campaign or any scheme with which talk about something like Mariam and I are this? Today, government ladies.
So you are sort of saying that you think it's a government scheme.
Yeah,
you're sort of saying you think it's like something that has been donated by some people to give to some single women.
Yes.
No. This coming from my own coffers. I am bringing this money to you, a beautiful damsel. I don't just give everybody money except for people in my street who come to pick money like manna. You know what I'm saying? You are highly favored. Hello, Mary.
Baba. I open I'm just young. Ndingataura no bishana. Ndingakubatsira zvako kana wakasununguka ndingotaura newe ndikupe mashoko.
Oh, we're already talking. Go on. Yeah.
And that's
unoziva
kuti une mudzimai. Mukadzi wako nezuro. Ndakamuona akapfeka dress rake reblue rine resi chena. Akagerwa musoro, gerwa paravara. Nguva ino ichanda muno muUK. Ndakanzwa tsitsi ndakashamisika ndikati, kunei baba vachidai nemadiri ramaita mari mumba munomudai so. Dai maitora mari iyoyo muchichengeta mudzimai nemhuri. Zvaigona kukubatsira hanzvadzi. Mukadzi nevana ndizo hama dzenyu dzamunofanira kupa mari kwete kuuya kuzokanda mari pana vandiri kudai.
I know you love them jokes, ain't it? Maybe after some time you're gonna notice that you were just joking. No, I don't have a woman. I am a bachelor. Can you say bachelor?
You think I'm joking?
I am bachelor.
I'm not joking. I'm being serious here. Did not result in mudzimai nemhuri. Dai tidai muri mumwe. Mukaramba mutidai so zvamuri kuita izvezvo. Munofa muri rombe hanzvadzi. Kufa muri rombe chaiko ndati ndikubatsire sezvauri mwana wekumusha kuti no zvawaita nhasi izvizvi. Ngazvibva zvaperera panapa. Nekuti ukaramba uchidai so uchafa uri rombe. Enda nochengeta mudzimai wako nevana vako. Izvo zviri kuona time kwatodoka kudai so izvozvo amai vanenge vakutotarisa kuti baba vari kupi. Machitobuda maenda manoona mudzimai asati atanga kukutsvakai.
How about my money? Because I gave you money. So what you mean if you say I must just go? How about my money? Are you not grateful about money? I gave you money for nothing.
I want this way to tell that I'm happy. My tabas and deeper marriages.
You think you just take Marasha from Muhange just that? Like that?
No, Marasha is also one. Can I Marasha to Pinda to Pinda? At Shamazo.
So why you take my money?
Because my wedding married Papa went to say that she could have said that she could watching it a Murienu, name Zimaven Kumbam, take it away with Zaganakam Shidi. Is also. Don't you call her to this and I said, listen, Saka Mario to Shandel.
All this money?
She took pay certificate, Yash.
Oh, woman. I can't just go without having done something. You know what I mean? Yeah? The front it was something.
No. Something like what?
You know what I'm talking about. You're old enough, don't you know what I'm talking about?
No, I don't know. Don't understand.
I mean, you see, woman, you woman, man, yeah, boy, girl, you know, they.
I don't do that, brother. I don't.
You make me shy.
No. No.
You know saying?
No, and you're not my type. Mukaza, take mari. Rulo, Mukaza, Rodamun and Moyo, Quetty and Mari, the Maritals come, she can't marry Shamisira. No, you're not my type, and Ferry Shamisira. You need to go now.
You see, ndo damari yangu ndipe mari yangu ndeya vadzimai vangu mari ndaipiwa na madam ndeye kutengesa zvinhu zvavo zvesociety. Can I have my money please?
Oh, now makuzoti nemdzimai manje pamasvika mukati musingo nyaya mudzimai abva
inukandidena ndokuuraya ukangondidena ndokuuraya ukangondidena ndokuuraya. Do you know if I've got a knife?
No, get out now or I'll call the police.
Right, yeah, police, yeah, police, UK, police.
Nonsense. Shit. Kujaira madzimai. Kuda kutishandisira mari isusu. Hatitengwe nemari isu. Rudo rwemurume ruri moyo kwete mari kushamisira kuda kuyashamisira ndochichocho. Nonsense.